Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to install Ubuntu in Google Cloud Computing. So first of all, you need to log in your Google Cloud Computing. If you don't have any account in Google Cloud Computing, first of all you can create an account, follow some step. I have given already link in description area. So let's start. So first of all you need to log in Google Cloud Computing. Once you logged in Google account, then what you need to do, first of all, then you can check we have the compute services here, and go inside the compute engine, and here you can select VM instance. So once you create a VM instance, what you need to do, here I am going to click create instance. Once you click on create instance, you will get here multiple options is there. So first of all we need to put here name is a permanent something, so put name, don't use uppercase, you always use lowercase. So I am typing here again real programmer. Also optional field is a optional label field is optional, so you can select whatever you want to something, put name. So I have added here real programmer. Now you can select reason, so where you want to deploy your project. So here I am going to select by default, which is so for the testing purpose I am using right now. You can select whatever you want. Suppose if you want area specific, suppose Asia, so you can select Asia also. So now here one is we need to use CPU, what kind of CPU services we want. So I don't want to change right now, so I am using right now first generation. Okay, so now this is a standard predefined by the Google, so I don't want to change right now. And machine time, what kind of machine you want, you can select from here. Okay, suppose you want small, and I don't want to right now small. For the testing version I will also stop some after some time, so I'm going to use standard. Okay, so now here you can select this disk type, so what kind of operating system you want. So I'm going to use Ubuntu. I'm so much familiar with Ubuntu, so I'm going to use Ubuntu. Then I can select here from space and operating system which version we want also. So here option is image, I don't want to change anything right now, so you can select from version also. I want 18, so I am so much familiar with 18. Also you can select 20, latest version is there. So now I am going to select here, I am going to scroll, and here you can check one option is there, firewall security if you want, and here the compute engine default services account. Now I'm going to click both of firewall protections, HTTP and HTTPS also, and just click on create. Once we will click on create, this will take little bit time. Once this is done, then we will install Ubuntu 18. Okay, so this machine is created successfully. You can check your external IP. Okay, I'm going to use here, nothing is there. Then what we need to do, here I am going to show you, you can follow some command from I will give you one description area, one link also, you can check from my blog. Okay, so this is my blog basically, you can check from here. Okay, so now I am going to use SSH command. Okay, so you just click on SSH. Once you clicked on, one terminal will open, so you can follow some step. I will give you some short description about how to install your operating system. 18.0 something, so okay, whatever operating system you want you can select from. So now we have this terminal basically. Also you can configure, if you want your terminal you can also configure. I will give you one, I will make one video also. Okay, sudo apt get update. Okay, so I am going to update first of all. Once I update, then I am going to upgrade. Type here upgrade. Sorry, I have written a small mistake. Here is upgrade. Okay, So this is also done. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to install Apache. So sudo apt get install Apache 2. I want yes. Then sudo systemctl1 enable Apache 2. Maybe this command is wrong. Oh, I have written sudo spelling is mistake is there. I'm going to change sudo. Oh, sorry, I have written here wrong. The spelling is last. Okay, so once I have done once I have added this command, then I am going to add again one more command, which is sudo systemctl status Apache 2. You can check here active. Okay, here this is a services group, so this is also active. Now what we need to do here, we need to install a lot of files is there, so you can check from my blog here. Okay, so we have checked the status here, and now we can do that. Just copy this command. Again we need to update. Basically we are installing here some package, so here I am going to update again. Now we need to install PHP 2 version. This is taking little bit time. We are installing here PHP 7.2 version. Okay, so then uh, also we will search extension which is PHP 7.2. Once this is done, and most commonly used extensions which is PHP 7 something. Okay, now we going to install curl. This one. Once this is done, we will check which version we are using. Then we will install MySQL. We have PHP 7.2 version, and here I'm installing MySQL 5.7 version. Once this is done, then we will run this command. Okay, so we have done this. Now we need to check yes this is configured, and here does not exist. Apache reload update. This one MB string. Now we need to start Apache. Once this is done, I'm going to check. Yes, we are now connected, and here you can create the user, whatever user you want. We have added, and you can get privilege. I'm going to exist. Let's check this is working or not. Where is my IP? Yes, now is this working. Now I'm going to use PHP my admin. This is not working. Let's check again. I'm going to reload again. Now you can check here, this is done. Okay, so we have created name is Siddharth, password is 1818. Look at that, this is working fine. Okay, so once this is done, you can check from your side. And so now finally PHP installed in our operating system, even Ubuntu also. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make another video. Thank you for watching this video.